Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best steam mop in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop with natural sanitization. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is the perfect tool for not only cleaning but also sanitizing your home. It is designed to keep your floors looking their best with the natural sanitizing power of steam. The PowerFresh Steam Mop comes with a variety of features including a digital steam trigger, a swivel head, and a flip-down easy scrubber. This mop can be used on a variety of surfaces including remove tough, stuck-on messes. Plus, it comes with a range of natural, sanitizing scents to keep your home smelling fresh. The Bissell PowerFresh Steam Mop is the perfect cleaning tool for any home. Pros: natural sanitization features kill 99.9% of germs and bacteria on hard floors. Easily switch from floor steamer to tile cleaner. Flip-down easy scrubber for tough spots. Works on hardwood floors. Lightweight and easy to maneuver. Cons: not suitable for carpets or rugs. Steam mop may leave floors wet if used too long. May require multiple passes to get desired cleaning results. Number 2. Our second best pick is PurSteam Steam Mop Cleaner 10-in-1. The PurSteam Steam Mop Cleaner 10-in-1 is a revolutionary cleaning tool that helps make housework easy and efficient. This mop not only cleans hardwood, laminate, tile, and carpeted floors, but also offers a convenient detachable handheld unit to help you clean furniture, kitchen surfaces, garments, and more. The steam mop also comes with a pet-friendly steamer, making it. Pros: convenient detachable handheld unit. Can be used on laminate, hardwood, tiles, and carpet. Pet-friendly. Multi-purpose use for the whole house. Can be used to clean the kitchen and garments. Cons: may not be as effective on tough stains. May require multiple passes for larger areas. Can be difficult to maneuver in tight spaces. Number 3. Our third best pick is McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner. The McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner is the perfect choice for doing a deep and thorough clean in your home. This powerful steam cleaner uses pressurized steam to get into the cracks and crevices of your floors, counters, appliances, windows, autos, and more. It comes with 18 accessories to help make your cleaning job easier and more efficient. The extra long power cord means you can reach those hard-to-reach areas without having to unplug and plug in multiple times. Get the job done with the McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Steam Cleaner and enjoy a sparkling clean home. Pros: chemical-free pressurized cleaning for most surfaces. 18 accessories for a variety of cleaning tasks. Extra long power cord for added convenience. Suitable for cleaning floors, counters, appliances, windows, and autos. Heavy-duty construction for durability. Cons: expensive compared to other steam cleaners. Limited cleaning range due to short hose length. Some users have reported difficulty in removing tough stains. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Shark S3973D Lift Away 2-in-1 Pro Steam Pocket Mop. The Shark S3973D Lift Away 2-in-1 Pro Steam Pocket Mop is the perfect solution for cleaning all of your hard surfaces and above-floor surfaces. With its 3 modes, you can easily switch between cleaning, sanitizing, and garment steaming. The Steam Blaster technology delivers powerful bursts of steam. Plus, the dirt grip pads are designed to pick up dirt and debris more effectively. Plus, the removable handheld steamer makes it easier to tackle hard-to-reach areas and garment steaming. With the Shark S3973D, you won't have to worry about any job being too big or too small. Pros: the 2-in-1 design can be used as a handheld steamer or as a mop. 3 modes with Steam Blaster for better cleaning control. IntelliMop head for better maneuverability. Dirt grip pads for better cleaning power. Can be used to clean hard floors, above floors, and garments. Cons: can be heavy and bulky to maneuver. Not suitable for deep cleaning carpets. Can be difficult to empty the water tank. Must be refilled with clean water after each use. Number 5. Our 5th best pick is Pure Enrichment PurClean Steam Cleaner. The Pure Enrichment PurClean Steam Cleaner is the perfect tool for deep cleaning your home and other surfaces. This 1500-watt, multi-purpose system features a large 1.5 L water tank for up to 45 minutes of continuous steam. Its 18 included accessories allow for a variety of cleaning tasks, including floors. Customize the output to suit the needs of any surface, while the 10-foot power cord provides the convenience of extra reach. This versatile tool is perfect for deep cleaning tasks indoors or outdoors and is sure to leave your surfaces sparkling clean. Pros: 1500-watt heating element for powerful steam cleaning. 18 accessories for various cleaning tasks. Multi-purpose system for deep cleaning floors, windows, barbecue grills, grout, cars, and more. Lightweight and portable design. Safe to use on most surfaces. Cons: not suitable for use on hardwood floors. Water tank capacity is small. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.